Hi there, beautiful one. How you doing? So, you know that I've been having this whole spinal situation going on. I bought a number of different pieces of equipment that kind of helps me in the interim. I'll tell you the story now. I have been under the doctor since last year. Met the consultant last year. Had an injection in January. However, since January, they've just left me on my own to my own devices. And sometimes I feel like I'm going out my mind. What I've done, what I've done is I've actually bought a few little bits. It can be pricey, but it's not as pricey as paying for a prescription every single month, right? So I bought this. This is one of them. I'm going to show you a series of the things that I've bought. Not everything in this video. You can follow along in the next videos, just to see how I manage. And this is one of the things that I bought. It's well overused. It's very soft, and it's called a TheraBack 3-in-1. Now, what this one does, I'm just going to turn it on, right? So you can see that it has this kind of vibrations. It has vibration. It has like heat going on in there as well. I really want to see if I can find, I'm going to take it off the vibration. I'm going to turn it off and see if I can find what else it does, because what it also does is it has two little nodules in this section here. You put it in the lower part of your back, and I'm just trying to, right, I don't know, could you see that? So it's almost like it compresses or decompresses the spine. Now see how that's come up, this bit? So I kind of use this. You can use it on the floor. I tend to prefer it in the back, on the bed, so it's not so, see that? So it's not so hard on my back. And you hear that coming down and it comes up again. So it's almost like a nice little massage. And it really, really has been quite helpful when I'm having those really off days, or first thing in the morning I get up, I put this on, get that vibration going through my body. But you can see that, right? So it pushes up in the central part of your S1. So around that point, because I've got the problem in my like L3, L4, L5 and S1 joints. So that's where the problem is. And I must say, this is really quite helpful. When I was away, I had two massages. One was a shiatsu massage and one was just a deep tissue. Oh, never again. It just made me worse. But this little mite, really, really useful. So stick with me. I'm going to show you some other things. Not in this video, like I said, but in another time, of what other things I use when it comes to just being on top of that spinal stenosis and the prolapsed disc and all that stuff. And these are some of the things I do just to create me a little bit of relief. So what I'll do is I'll put a link down there below and you can check it out for yourself, see how you go and let me know how you get on. All right, so it's called a TheraBack 3-in-1 back therapy. And it's a thumbs up from me. So I'm going to turn that off and I'll be on it once I'm finished with you guys. So take care and I'll see you on the other